Hey, sixth grade. I just wanted to take a minute to go over a couple of things, and then we will look through our weekly objectives and vocabulary document together. Um, and then you'll be sent on your merry little way to get all of your math done for the week. All right, so guys, this is your last week of assignments. Um, on Monday morning, May 11th, your final batch of assignments for week 7 online learning will be posted. So what that means is all of your work from this week is due on by May 18th, and then you have the rest of the 18th through 21st to catch up on anything else you might need to get done, whether it be for math or one of your other classes. It doesn't matter, but you will have time to make sure you're caught up and that everything's done and you're ready to close out this crazy weird school year with a big bang. So, anywho, here we have our weekly objectives and vocabulary. Guys, we only have one learning goal for this week: solve equations that contain multiplication and division. Um, you'll see in our vocabulary list, there's two of them that were on your video before: division property of equality, and the multiplication property of equality. Um, when you take a look at Canvas, make sure that you complete each of the items on there. Do not skip ahead and just take the test and think you're going to do fine. You still need to read or watch the videos. You need to take your notes. You need to do Spark Your Learning. You need to do the HMH assignment. Quit skipping ahead, guys. That is not applying to everyone, I know. But it's pretty obvious when you guys do that, just saying. And if you are somebody who has been doing all your work in order, that's amazing, and thank you. All right, so like I was telling you guys, you have all week to get all this done. You don't have to sit down in one day and do it. So here's a little sample schedule of what you could get done on Monday. There's a little something for Tuesday. Take your test on Wednesday. And then down on Thursday and Friday, we have a fun cupcake project to close out our sixth grade math career. So, if you're needing an idea of how to get all of your work done this week, boom, there it is. All right. So make sure you read over this, and if you have any questions, let me know. Bye, kiddos.